Welcome to day 6.
We are at Kochi.
We are on the way to Athirapalli Waterfalls, and we are just about to enter Cochin, and we are at the toll.
There is a good breakfast point like Vrindavan. So here food is good and ambience is also great. So now we just entered the Athirapalli lane, like pass. So from here it is 28 kilometers. So if you are coming in a different route, you need to pay. You may have to go via one forest. So there is a check post. So not every time Google is suggesting the right way, because I remember I came to this place
This is not the main route to Athirapalli. In another 5 kilometers, we'll be connected to the main road.
Even I remember that I was coming in a different big road, like where two vehicles can go, and now we can definitely feel that we came from small villages and almost like single road.
Make sure to choose the correct route.
But this is also one route to go for Athirapalli water.
Yeah, and the route is good. Like it covers lot of small tiny villages.
Front you can show.
Where some kids and all are going to schools, and like very scenic. But you need to go slow and careful. The roads are not that good. Not in that condition, but yeah, it's good. This road is a disadvantage.
If you also want to stay here, there are limited options like resorts and hotels are there. But I advise you to take hotel only if you are coming to this place specifically, like only for Athirapalli waterfalls. If you are coming from far away places, then only you take over here. Or else like if you are traveling from one place to another place, and between if you want to cover this, you don't take any halt over here. Try to take halt in Thrissur or Guruvayur or this side Kochi. Because this is almost like inside. Again, you need to travel some 20-30 kilometers outside for the main route connectivity. So it will be like a waste of time for you to cover that. Or if you just want to come for only one day, only for Athirapalli waterfalls and there is a one water world kind of place is there. So if you just want to cover these two, then ideally taking a hotel here in and around will be fine. Like there are premium and non-premium hotels also. Mostly premium hotels are there because of the less options of hotels. So just before entering, you need to take ticket over here. So there are 2 points, one point to see from down, one point to see from top. So both the things we will try to cover.
So the price for 2 adults is 50 rupees each, and for one normal still camera it's 60 rupees, and car parking is 30 rupees. That's the entrance fee of Athirapally, but in Google it is showing wrong as 15 rupees.
We have reached Athirapally Waterfalls. So beside the road itself they have given the car parking space. Earlier I remember that I kept a vehicle there, like top. There is a way. Here also a lot of monkeys. It's in pure forest area. So as I have told you earlier, there are 2 viewing points, from top one and from bottom one. Last time I have missed seeing this falls from bottom. Today we will definitely try. This is actually very good after rainy season. More waterfall you can see. But there is also some disadvantages. If water is too much, you will not be allowed to go down for down view. That's how we have missed in the last time. But the fall and feel, it is completely different after rainfalls. So this is the top view of the falls. From here the water will be falling. Earlier when I came, this is full of water, and only from the corners only we were able to see. So that's the bottom view, and earlier from here also water is to come, but only that layer is now falling. So from top almost like waterfalls is not properly visible. So this is where, this point where Bahubali part 1 shooting has been done, where he'll ask like he want to go top. So on this point they made VFX and they made it like a big hill. Now let's go for downside view, because it's nothing visible actually from here. But the breathtaking waterfalls may take your breath away. Heart patients and people with serious ailments may please take care.
Subscribe. Like, share, subscribe.
So I guess this is where they have made the set, and not just Bahubali, lot of Telugu movies and a lot of Malayalam Tamil songs being recorded over here. Happy movie in Telugu. Not very close, they'll allow every time. Now it is less water. Even from this portion actually water will come. Very careful while walking from this. So this is the main Athirapalli waterfall. We are done with day 6 Athirapalli. Now we'll be going to Guruvayur hotel. From there evening we'll be going for temple. Here also, Guruvayur temple also almost like Sri Padmanabha Swami temple. There are a lot of restrictions. Men should not wear shirt, and there are like for every 45 minutes or 1 hour there are multiple breaks. So be very cautious. And if you are taking room very close to the hotel, then it will be benefit for you that even though if it is flexible timings, you whenever it is like you can just right away start from the hotel and you can visit the temple. Now it's a different experience what she felt. So anyhow, if you are planning in a year, like any month, if you want to come to only to this place, then try to come at November, December time. Or if this is part of your some big trip, then any month is fine. Thank you, Athirapalli. We will visit again.
So many school people. One thing is, so many school kids are coming.
I guess it's a picnic period. See now, if you see one more now. After a hectic journey, not journey, trek, you need a lime soda. Hey guys, so day 6 we are almost close to Guruvayur. 25 kilometers away, and as we are going for temple, we had nice vegetarian lunch.
We had our food in a Greenleaf restaurant, and
it's in Thrissur.
Yep, in Thrissur. So we took a half an hour kind of break. We had good food, and then now we are heading towards Guruvayur. So I already got a call from the hotel management,
Its name?
for the time of our arrival, and the hotel where we are going to stay in Guruvayur is the Vrindavan Suites. We have booked that in one room for 1700 rupees. So let's see how the experience will be in Guruvayur. Finally we have reached to Guruvayur, and we'll be going on to the hotel now, because the temple is now currently closed. It closes at around 12:30 PM and opens at 4:30 PM as per the temple website details. So we'll go to the hotel, take some rest and freshen up and start around 5:30 PM, so that at 6 o'clock we'll be able to go to the Athirapally Darshan time. On the way to the hotel currently in Guruvayur.
We have reached Guruvayur and took Vrindavan Suites. So these are the ones, like each building is named with one name, and costing around 2000 rupees per day AC. And if you don't want AC, then it is 1300-1400 rupees, and it is 700 meters or around 1 kilometer. Around 1 kilometer you can walk and go. If you don't want to take your vehicle, and better to go by walk. Why? Because again, parking, chappals, a lot of issues will come, clock rooms and all. If you really want to carry your wallet or what do you say, car key, bike key, I will show you the room. So this is the room, and easy room, ground floor. This is the Okesh. So now we are starting to Guruvayur temple. So we need to again just go and cross check whether the timings what we have seen in Google and multiple places it is correct or not. So ideally we are going for 6 o'clock darshan. This is the place where we are staying and it is only 750 meters from this place. So I'm taking this GoPro camera, but I'll be keeping it in clock room there because phones and cameras are not allowed and even purses are not allowed. So we'll be keeping all the things in clock room and then I'll be going. I'll try to show you some surrounding premises of the temple. Guruvayur temple 160 meters. So it seems like almost even this temple is also having 4 entries, like North Nada. I guess Nada is entry. So 4 sides entry is there, I guess. So let us see. 160 meters means it is almost close, very close. Electronic items not allowed inside temple. So this is the temple. So just now darshan is being completed. So similar to Athirapally, like compartment kind of things. I mean lines are there, so they will allow each line. So it literally took 1.5 hours. So though if you are pre-planning, I guess expect a rush. It will take some time, and inside also some 20 minutes like that it will take. So yeah, expect a rush. Almost like almost like Tirupati kind of experience is what I felt. Camera, shirt is allowed is what in Google everywhere it was written, but inside if you go, then you have to remove your shirt for men. And for women, chudidars, all these normal traditional clothes also allowed. This is the entrance and right side lines are there. That lighting one is the temple. Coconut oil, halwa. Actually we missed out halwa to buy it in Kochi. Now we got it here. kg it is 140, 160, 180, 200 rupees according to the what do you say, flavor what you are choosing for. Like it's a different kind of halwa. Kerala halwas are different. If you want to try, you can try definitely. There are a lot of food options, clothes options are there. Like for example, if you are not bringing your clothes, this traditional ones you can buy from here. Food is also reasonable in and around, but please plan your trip properly so that you won't be there inside for more hours.
So we are ending our day 6 with this beautiful darshan of. So tomorrow morning we'll be starting to Wayanad, our day 7. So tada for today. Please subscribe to our channel.